welcome back to the channel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is our last full day today.
Yes, we've got one more half day after this, which will still be a video.
It will still be a video.
But it might be a little one.
So we've woken up sore from our activity. Well, you're alright, aren't you?
I'm alright, I was at intermittent sleep last night for some strange reason, I don't really know why.
Yeah, every time I moved I was like, oh, my hips, my legs. So we didn't sleep too well last night.
No, but luckily, today is not a day where we're going up and down hills.
Yes.
Today is a day where we just gently stroll around a lake.
Yes. So we're going over to Grasmere today, having a wander around the little village, and there's also Rydal, either lake or tarn. I don't know which one. But there's a lake that we can have a wander around, and I don't think it's too strenuous. The weather is against us again today.
Yeah, so today is the worst of the days as far as weather's concerned, so it's going to be raining all day long. It's lucky we've got waterproofs. That's pretty much the plan. We're going to go there, have a wander around the lake, have a wander around Grasmere, pick up some gingerbread at that little gingerbread place that everyone goes on about, so pick that up. We had a little kind of issues with the Del Boy drone. One of his blades were a little bit uneven, so warped, so I've switched them out for another blade. It's actually quite simple, to be honest. It's literally just unscrewing and screwing the right ones in. It even marks up on the bag which ones go where. And then I just had a quick test inside the hotel room to check that it was hovering and spinning around, and it seemed okay, so we might be able to get a bit more footage of like the Rydal Lake today or something, depending on whereabouts we are.
Yeah.
We're kind of winging it. We might get some footage of the lake, we might not.
Winging it.
Winging it, get it?
Yeah, double drone. I was well worried about him yesterday because he just started beeping, and it's really good because it gives you all the warnings on your screen. It just said it was warped, so I don't know if we were just pushing him too far.
The wind did start to get up in the last like half an hour when we were up at the top of the hill, so
yeah, so we don't know, but hopefully he's all fixed now.
Yes, we'll see what happens when we get him out there later. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and ding that notification bell. Make sure you check out all of our Lake District content, and we've got one more video coming after this one.
So we're all packed up, gonna go and have a lovely day in the rain, nice and chilled. So shall we get on the road again?
Let's get going.
It's raining.
But it's not heavy.
No,
Just a constant drizzle.
Yeah, it was going to be the worst day. I tell you what, be prepared to pay for your parking up here.
Yeah.
It's very expensive, but never mind. We're going to do the lake first. We're going to have a wander around for a couple of hours. Just a gentle stroll. Go and take in the wonder, because even though it's pissing it down, it's still beautiful around here.
Yeah. If you can hear that stuff behind us, there's a waterfall in the car park.
I know, just a waterfall, just a casual waterfall.
Casual waterfall in a car park.
Yeah, so it's not busy at all today.
No, I don't think it's going to be too busy with the rain that's out. So that's good though, because that hopefully means that Grasmere won't be too busy either, which means hopefully we might get to that gingerbread place quicker than we think.
Yeah.
Because normally apparently it's quite busy.
Yeah. Anywho, should we try and find our way over?
Yeah, let's get on walking.
We're all bundled up, aren't we?
All bundled up. I haven't got my jumper on underneath though, because it ain't cold.
Oh no, it's not cold at all.
No wind or anything like that. It's just a drizzle. Around the puddle.
Yeah, it's just some rain.
So we're going in the anti-clockwise direction.
No, I think we're going clockwise actually.
No, we're not.
No, anti-clockwise, sorry.
Yeah, we are going anti-clockwise. Do you not know your anti-clockwise and your clockwise the same as you don't know your left from your right?
Do you know what? It is a condition.
I think you might have a condition because you just...
It is a condition to not know your left from your right, or struggle to know your left from your right.
Probably a good thing you're not driving then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh god, it's very boggy today, isn't it? Should we go this way, babe? This way's easier. chosen to completely ignore me. So, this is the beginning of the lake. So even on a dreary day, it looks really, really nice. It's flowing fast today. Careful.
No, not over. Should be flowing.
What are you doing? Pretty though.
Very pretty.
Water from Sidewalk, Grasmere. So straightforward then. There's it. Ever so slight incline, and she's moaning because she's got thigh problems.
I've got a thigh problem.
In that they ache every time it goes up or down.
I suppose it's actually good to get on moving again because they'll just see you.
Yeah, that's the best thing you can do. Remember when I twisted my ankle all those years ago when I was 18? The reason it seized up and it was so bad is because I just left it, slept on it, and it got worse. That's not too much of an incline, it's fine. Up again. Little diddy waterfall. You look so annoyed. There's the lake over there.
What? I don't want to go all the way up there. No, I think we can go down this bit.
Which bit?
Just where this wall is. I think there's a path.
Is there?
I think so.
Okay. I think the caves will be up there, but in fairness, we weren't intending to go to caves today, so
No.
no. Oh, no.
It's warm.
I know. Oh, is that the old barn house? Fat Boy Gate. Yeah, there's a path down there, look. There we go then.
Oh, God.
Coming through, coming through. Yeah, take that path round through the wall. Get you down to the lake, won't it? We're taking the loo path.
The blue woods.
Because up there's the caves, which I don't think is too far away, but I don't want to break the missus.
No, it wasn't in our plan.
No, I know.
We've done a cave this trip.
That's true. It was true. Lots of little streams coming down from the hills here.
I love playing in the water.
I know. I suppose there's a lot of water coming down from those hills today. We are not going up there. We are going to continue.
DJ's getting soaked.
I know. Be reet.
Sorry for the grey content.
Grey content. There's the lake.
There's a lake.
There's a lake. There. You okay?
It's wet.
It is wet. It said it was going to be.
It's a grey and dismal day today.
Yeah.
I don't like wearing glasses in the rain.
No, it doesn't help.
Pretty though.
Pretty though. Beard's a bit wet.
You're soaking. Oh dear.
Oh well.
It is what it is. We're thoroughly enjoying ourselves though. It's beautiful.
Little stream.
Yes, Dean.
Not bloody stop, these.
They're having a good day.
The constant build-up.
Oh dear.
Oh well. Oh, your thigh's hurting. Jeez, you are suffering, aren't you?
Just my thighs for some reason.
I think it was going down that hill yesterday. It just completely broke what was left of your thighs.
Hello. I look like a condom.
Cut the blue condoms.
The Blue Condoms, that's a good band name.
No, it's not. Not even remotely.
Welcome to the stage. The Blue Condoms.
No.
Oh, look at the
Geese. Geese and duckies.
babies.
And now she's going down to the wharf.
Hey, darlings. Hello. You're beautiful.
Cool tree.
Cool tree. Petrified tree.
Yeah. Hopefully they're not getting rid of it, but they might do. You okay? A bit warm.
Try and get the hair out of the place.
Oh, the geese are just really going for it. There they go again, look. Making noise. Oh, there's a swan on the way. Just the one swan, actually.
Come on then.
Oh, puppy!
Shut it. Lunatic on the scene. Well, come on.
After the ducks.
I couldn't hear it because of my hands.
There he goes. God, he wants the duck, doesn't he? Didn't duck on his way up to us. What you doing?
You okay? Oh, I know it's quite wet, isn't it? Yeah.
You're about over halfway, maybe a bit more. We're looking for places to drone, but I don't know whether we're going to be able to. Just have to see what it's like when we get further round, and if it's doable or not. You okay?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Because we think once we get round to a certain way, it might just be road walking. I'm not too sure. So until we get there, if we're not, then we'll have to double back. Is that another cool tree?
That is a cool tree. A bit evil looking.
Right, so we've got an open space where the rain's lightish. So we're going to get the drone out and see what we can do. I'm not going to go too much with it. Probably just be a couple of shots up and down and round, maybe.
Yeah, because I think it might be a bit too wet. But
Yeah.
I don't want to get the drone up.
Well, let's just see what it does. I'm not going to go mental with it, but we've just got the outlook of the lake there. Might just pop it up into the air and give it a quick spin. See what we get. Right, here we go. Did a bit of drone footage. That's it. We did a few minutes. Rain's more or less stopped now anyway.
Yeah, that's really, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, we did a little bit. I'm not going to go mad unless it dramatically changes the weather in the next half an hour, which I sincerely doubt. That is the drone footage we are getting today.
I didn't even see it because it was, my phone was covered in water. I hope it's all right.
It'll be alright. So yeah, we're just going to start walking back now. We don't know whether it's a road path or not. There's a bridge over there. If not, like I said, we'll head back where we came.
Hello.
Hello. Fish in there.
Fish in there? Yeah, there is some fish in there.
Bloody hope so. Yeah, I think it's just main road walking. Go, 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 go. At the bottom. Oh, I think they've got like a wood fire in there because I can smell it. Yeah. We were over there earlier. Those misty mountains up there. Can't even see the tops.
bogginess.
You love a babbling brook, don't you?
I love a babbling brook. I think I did get some in my sugar.
Oh dear.
So back at the start of our walk, so our car park is literally just over there. And see, when it's not raining, I'm going to try Dell out again.
One last go.
One last go. I just wish it was warmer because I would definitely be paddling in these streams. It's such a paddling paradise. And every day we've seen robins, haven't we? Every day we've seen robins, which is nice. Means that Dad's on holiday with us. And all the puppies going for a swim. Lovely.
Snicky snacky snooze.
Some honey and lime cashew nuts from Aldi. Ooh!
So Moorish.
Oh, they're so good. Sweet, salty, tang.
Cut more of those pokers as well.
Couple of yeah, we're gonna have to buy some of that online because they are
So good.
beautiful.
If you want to see what they're like, you can watch our Hallam Fell one because that's where we get them out.
So we finished our little Rydal Lake wander. So we're now going into Grasmere for a couple of hours, just to have a wander round. Rain is on and off at the moment.
Yeah.
So gonna go and find another car park to pay out of our asses with. And have a little wander around historic Grasmere.
Yeah, and pick up that gingerbread. Right, so we've parked up, paid £6 for the privilege, and you want to go get your gingerbread, don't you?
Yes.
Which I think is left of the church, so we've got to go that way. Here we go. Want to get in the queue then?
Yes, I'll sit over there on the It is the best name.
She looks like an old battle axe.
She does not.
Excited? Yeah. Excited to get your gingerbread.
It's so cute. Not allowed in. You're not allowed in.
You're funny, aren't you? Yeah.
I can work here, look, I get to dress up.
So we've just been into the shop and got loads of stuff.
Look at it all.
So we will show you the wares later on. But essentially we got ourselves some gingerbread. We got Lex and Evan some gingerbread. Got my mum some gingerbread because her birthday's coming up. You got yourself another tea towel. And we got some ground coffee as well.
Didn't think they did that.
No, so that was great. Tiny little shop, weren't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's
and they
so
are looking
cool.
for people to employ. I want to work there.
It's a bit of a commute, babe. 3 hours.
Move up.
No. Couldn't afford to live up here. But now, we're going to have a look at the Wordsworth grave.
Yeah.
What is that again?
You don't know who William Wordsworth is?
It rings a bell.
He's literature. William's Wordsworth.
Okay.
No?
I don't know why I don't know it. I feel educationally subnormal right now.
The acclaimed poet William Wordsworth described Grasmere as the fairest place on earth. With his family, Wordsworth became a regular worshipper at St Oswald's. He now rests in this peaceful churchyard alongside his wife Mary, their daughter Dora, their young children Catherine and Thomas, his sister Dorothy, and others close to them. They lie in the shade of a yew tree, one of the 8 planted by the poet in this churchyard.
Brand new. Oh, he's stuck. Having a nice afternoon just wandering? Yeah, it's been nice and shit relaxing. Good to see little barbars as well. Little baby lambs.
Fresh ones as well.
I think that's a great thing about coming up around the start of springtime. You will get a lot of the newborns.
Yeah, they're fresh. Fresh out the sheep.
Running and bucking.
Yeah, they're a bit excited, weren't they?
Right, I think it's just bringing us back out onto the main road. So, should we start having a look around, find somewhere to get a bit of grub?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you've got the inn, which is pretty big. Then across the road, you've got the Little Inn.
I wonder if they're owned by the same people.
Probably, but it is definitely a good little bit of marketing.
It is.
So I got myself a cider which is kind of sweet/dry.
How can it be sweet/dry?
You can have medium dry, sweet dry, dry. You can have a mix of different ones. Not for you. But Sarah.
That's dry.
Sarah's gone for a Bloody Mary.
I'm on the way to a brewery, go for a Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
But it's got Grasmere vodka in it.
How is it? Is it nice?
Spicy. Hey, that's spicy.
Big Tom.
Big dog.
Got myself a platter with wings, garlic bread, bangers, fries, salad, sweet chilli. It's well good. These are Korean wings as well. And you got yourself, was it lamb and couscous?
Yes. Because those lambs were so cute, I wanted
You want to have one inside you for a few hours, but I don't know what that means. It's nice.
nice chicken. Yum yum.
Quick detour. Oh, look, there's more barbars. Yay! Loads of them.
Babies. Oh, cuckling.
So we took a quick detour around the back of the gingerbread house and saw more sheepies.
Oh, they're so cute. They're fresh.
I don't think they're more than 3 to 4 weeks old, maybe.
Probably not even that. They've still got their umbilical cords hanging down.
Happy.
Oh, they're really cute. I just want to go and cuddle them so bad.
3 o'clock.
we are back where we started. It's like we've never been out.
It was a nice, relaxing day.
Oh, it was brilliant. I thoroughly enjoyed Grasmere.
Yeah, it was just nice, chilled out, cute
Yeah.
little village.
And Rydal Lakes. Is it Rydal Lake?
Yeah, Rydal Water, technically.
Oh, Rydal Water.
But it's a lake.
Yeah, it was a bit wet, but didn't bother us really, did it?
No, it was fun.
Managed to get drone up, so
Yeah, got a bit more footage than I thought we'd get, to be perfectly honest, so...
obviously after our walk we went into Grasmere and we went a little bit overboard with Wes.
We did get some wares.
I say me.
Yeah, so we went, of course, to the gingerbread shop and we picked up some gingerbread. Now, we picked up, I think you've got it, I think we picked up some for us, some for my mum, and some for our friends Lex and Evan, who were looking after Puss. Proper.
Oh, I love how it's all round.
I know, it's wrapped with twine.
Yeah.
I really want to get it open.
Is that our one? Or
Yeah, that's our one.
Are you sure?
Yep,
Where are the other ones?
in there.
Oh, okay.
Here's our one.
It's all so, like, well made. What?
Look at them.
So this gingerbread is not like gingerbreads that you get in shops. It's like a mix between a biscuit and a cake. Oh God,
It smells so buttery and gingery.
It does. It smells lovely. I don't know if I want to try this.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just break a little sliver off.
Here we go, taste test. It's buttery, gingery, which is kind of what you expect.
But not too gingery.
It's got a bit of crumble round it, but it's a bit of a chewy texture to a point. It's really nice. That's really nice.
It's not like a biscuit. It's not like a cake.
So this is obviously our OG gingerbread. This is where gingerbread was invented.
It's invented, yeah.
Invented in that little house. So this is OG gingerbread. This is what it originally was supposed to be. And honestly,
that is bloody fantastic.
I don't know why they changed it. I don't know why they changed it and refined it, because that's good as it is.
That is the best one.
Woo! So good.
So good. So they did other things than gingerbread in there.
Yeah.
And you know what's coming. If I can find one, I'll get it.
Another tea towel.
But I'm going to have to get it out for you. I didn't know they did it. And I thought, well, I'm going to have to get it. It was only £3.75.
Yeah, it's quite cheap.
And I thought, well, you've
unique.
got to. You've just got to look at that. Yee! It's got the little gingerbread at the bottom.
Yeah.
So another gaudy tea towel.
Nice. It's quite a big one as well.
Little shop. With little Sarah on there. Good name. Good strong name.
Strong name. They also, and it was a bit of an impulse buy, but I was just like, yep, get it now. They also do coffee.
Yeah.
So I got myself a little Sarah Nelson's Comfort Coffee. This
Comfort
perfect
coffee.
little pouch of ground coffee.
It smells lovely.
So good. I cannot wait to dive into that. Massive coffee fan.
Thing is,
Medium roast artisan blend, perfect with Grasmere gingerbread. Well, that's a good thing because we got both.
yeah, so when we get home on the Friday, we can have some nice coffee and have our gingerbread.
Yeah.
So cute.
And so, like I said, I got gingerbread for my mum because it's her birthday coming up. So I got some extra bits as well. So I got her a lavender and lime soap.
It smells lovely.
It just smells really nice, and I think she likes lavender quite a lot.
Relaxing.
And then I got her 3 bath bombs as well.
Very cute. Nice colours.
Yeah, they all smell really nice. So.
There's just loads of smells going on in this hall.
I'm so
isn't
fucking
there?
ready.
So yeah, some little bath bombs
some little bath
for her
bombs for Mum.
baths.
So I know she loves a bath. That's probably the reason I love a bath so much.
Yeah, you got it off your mum, haven't you?
Having it red hot, like a proper bath.
And in that same shop that Adam got his mum's present. It was like a little gift shop / post office.
Yeah. They even
was-
did like Amazon Collect as well there.
Yeah, because it was post office. So I just got a couple of little bits there. It's the first time I've seen it. It's probably everywhere, but I've been drinking it constantly while I've been down here. It has been my victory pint, the Fell Walker Pale Ale.
It's actually quite a nice pale ale. in fairness.
Yeah,
I'm not really a pale ale man, but it's not bad.
Bowness Bay Brewing Company. So yeah, I got a Fell Walker to take home with me. Not that I'll be doing any walking there and having a victory pint.
We can walk around the derelict town centre that is Rugby.
I got myself a little pin, and it just says the Lake District. They had all different ones of like the big walks, the big fells, but none of the ones that we've done. So
Yeah, so that Howland Fell that we went up wasn't even a big one.
no, that was just a teeny tiny one.
Felt big.
Only a small 388 metres.
Just a teeny tiny 9 miles.
So yeah, little Lake District to put on my jackets. And then last but no means least, where we parked, there was like this artisan garden centre with art and food and everything.
Produce and all that kind of stuff, and like really
Yeah.
expensive art in there and everything with like
Oh, beautiful
all the latest-
art
It's really
there.
nice art, but yeah, expensive.
Yeah, all photography and stuff. And they had little stalls that were like independent people from the Lake District, obviously selling their wares. I came across this. God, it's weighty. And it's handmade cakes from the lakes. And it's a chocolate orange tiffin slab.
Look how thick it is.
And it's weighty. They had I was there for ages, weren't I?
Yeah, I was literally to the point. I was like, oh my god, choose.
I couldn't choose, but I went for the good old chocolate orange. And it was only £6 and it's massive. I mean, £6 is a lot of money, but I just had to pick it up. It just looked so good. And they had, as I say, all different flavours. So we're just full of the sweet treats, aren't we, at the moment?
Yep.
But that's all our wares from today.
Yeah, it is all our wares. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I don't think we're doing much more now. I think we'll chill out for a bit. We might go back down to the pub, back downstairs to the pub, and get our free beverage that we get.
Still raining.
Still raining, so unless it stops raining anytime soon, I think we'll just go down for a little bit and chill out, and that'll be it.
Yeah.
So nothing more to add on here. That's the end of Rydal and Grasmere. I hope you really enjoyed it.
We've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been really nice and a little bit change of pace from going up hills.
Yes, we've done the most walking we've done all week.
Yeah,
Boat
going
today.
round the lake is just still a decent walk.
Yeah, I've done about 13,500 steps. So yeah, get that fitness on.
We've got one more coming. We're going to Keswick for our last video, and again another kind of one we just pop around the town centre and just chilling out. So it might not be a big video, it might just be a little one,
Yeah.
but we'll see what we get. And you know, I doubt we'll have any drone footage, to be honest, but you never know. We never know. We'll have it with us.
No.
So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share. Find us on all the socials. Make sure that you ding your notification bell. Check out all the Lake District content. One more video to come after this. Also, you can find us on
TikTok.
and also.
Buy me a coffee.
And if we don't see you before,
We'll see you after, guys.
bye.
Take care.